Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul and project share video. So let's get started. So first of all, I picked up from AliExpress these really cute like witch's boot die, and I got the large one and the small one, and I cut them out, the small one out for you to see. And so I think these are really cute. I'll be using these next year on my Halloween cards. And then I also picked up from AliExpress these bottle cap dies. So you have the one set here and then another set here. And I've been seeing YouTubers use these to layer embellishments, and I wanted to try them. So I actually purchased two sets. So I cut out one, I made a rosette, and I used the bottle cap top on this little rosette with a Jolie sticker and some other things from my Halloween stash. So I hope to make more of these next year. We'll be trying to probably make some Christmas rosettes. I'm really wanting to try the rosettes out. So that's how that turned out. And then from, let's see, Simon Says Stamp, I picked up a couple of the little cutie stamp sets, the critters. First one is the little dragon. It's called Winter Dragon. And I guess he's a winter dragon because he has on a scarf. Isn't he cute? And then I got the die set. And then I also purchased the big acorn. And it has a little, where you can put the little faces on it. And then I got the die set for that too. And so I cut a few of them out. I'm really trying to work on my coloring skills. So here's a little dinosaur that I colored. Just playing around. Not sure how I'm going to use these on a card, but I think they turned out really cute. I especially like this one. So that's the little dinosaur. And then the acorn, I kind of had struggle a little bit with die cutting it out, especially with the white border. And so I used my Ohuhu markers to color the acorns. And this is one I used with a totally different color. So those turned out cute. And then from Stamping Up, I have been wanting this stamp set for a long time. It's called Celebrate Sunflowers. And I finally went ahead and ordered it. It's really beautiful. It's a red rubber stamp set. And you get a large flower and then leaves and sentiments. And then I also got the stamping and cut and emboss with the die cuts. So I made a couple of cards with it. This was the first one I made. And what I did was I cut out the flower, the sunflower, and then I cut it in half because I wanted to make two cards with it. So this is just some ribbon that I purchased from Joann last year, some of their holiday ribbon. And I think it turned out cute. But this is the one that I really like. This is my favorite, I guess, out of the two. And I know if you watch my channel, you've seen me use this ribbon before. I don't know what I'm going to do when I use up that ribbon. I am so in love with that ribbon. And I love how this card turned out. It says, "Congratulations on reaching a whole new level of wonderful." Isn't that pretty? I love that. So I got that. And then I purchased from Tuesday Morning this Simple Stories Halloween set, and it's called Happy Haunting. And so I'll show it to you real quick. So you get the die cuts, it's 40 die cuts, and then you get some cardstock chipboard stickers, not cardstock, single-sided. And then you get some paper. And I'll show you it real quick. You get these bats. On the flip side is the polka dots. And you get the spider webs. And then it's this, I can't think what this design is called. houndstooth, maybe. And then this really pretty striped one, the pastel colors, kind of. And then on the back you have a plaid. And this floral, which I really love. And then on the back side it's just like a little filigree design. And these stars, this is definitely not my favorite one. On the back it's like gray polka dots or black polka dots. And then this one has words on it. It says boo, Halloween, ghouls, eek, witch, bats. And then on the back it's another plaid. And then this really pretty check with the floral stripe with some more stars. Some cut aparts with some polka dots and Halloween colors. Some larger cut aparts with a little pretty floral. And then even larger cut aparts. I really like that one. And then with this on the back, I really like this. And then journaling cards, I'm assuming. Well, I don't know about journaling, you can't really write on that. But just larger ones. So this is by Simple Stories and it's called Happy Haunting. And so I did go ahead and make one more Halloween card this year. And out of that set, and this is the card. And I think it turned out really cute. I kind of did some layering and put a little bit of bling on it. And this is the chipboard, and then some of the die cuts or the journaling bits and pieces they're called. And then I put a little ribbon on the tag. So that's my haul and my card share. So here are the cards that I shared with you today. Projects. And then my little rosette. So thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, then consider subscribing. And let me know what you think below and give me a thumbs up if you like. And I appreciate you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.